Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Canva website to WordPress. While Canva doesn't have a direct export option, I will show you a quick workaround to get it embedded in WordPress. So let's get started. First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, scroll down, hover over Tools, and click Import. As you can see, WordPress gives you options to import from platforms like Blogger, Medium, Squarespace, etc. However, Canva isn't listed here. So what can we do? You can embed your Canva website into WordPress instead. So let me show you how. Let us head over to Canva. And I'm just going to choose a website template I've already worked on before. Once you're ready to embed, click Share, then click See All. And then select Embed. After that, click Embed again to get your embed link. Then click Copy. Next, go back to your WordPress dashboard. On the left, hover over Posts and click Add New Post. In the block section, click the plus button. Then click Browse All. Scroll down or just search for custom HTML and click on it. Now, paste the embed link you copied from Canva into the custom HTML block. Alright, so now let's click Preview to see what it looks like. As you can see, your Canva website is now embedded into WordPress. This method allows you to showcase your Canva design directly within your WordPress site, and the best part, it works seamlessly across all devices. And that's it. While Canva doesn't allow a direct export to WordPress, embedding your Canva site works just as well. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.